everyone, this is Lucifinity. You can call me just Lucy or Ate Lucy. So today I will having a Tagalog English monthly reading for the year 2026 para sa lahat ng zodiac signs starting this January. I'm a tarot and astrologer since 2019 and started my YouTube way back 2020 pandemic era. Basically, this is my comeback sa YouTube channel para sa mga lovely clients ko and future clients, guidance and healing. My readings focusing more on astrological placements. Kaya mas maganda po kung alam nyo ang inyong birth chart, natal chart for accuracy and timely readings. How to know your birth chart? Simply go to the Google and search birth chart, natal chart calculator. Dapat tama ang date of birth, time of birth, and birthplace. Kung di alam ang oras, pull up your birth certificate or ask your parents kasi importante po na tama ang details. The importance of knowing your chart is to guide you, heal you, and help you succeed in this lifetime. Let your astrologer read your chart for you, and I can help that for you. For everyone na makaka-resonate sa readings ko today, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. For everyone na mas gusto ng depth reading, kindly add me on my social media accounts in the description box and book a reading. Thank you and may light guide your way infinitely. So, let's start your reading. Hi to all Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is your month of January 2026 reading. So, before we start, itong reading ko po na to, Sun, Moon, and Rising, Venus, kung di mo po alam yun, ang ibig sabihin po nun ay birth chart calculator, natal chart calculator. Search mo po yun. Birth chart, natal chart, calculator para mas malaman mo kung ano yung birth chart mo. Mas accurate po kasi kapag nalaman mo kung ano yung birth chart mo. Okay? Kasi yung birth chart po is personally made only for you. So, malamang accurate talaga yan kasi para sa yan. Okay? So, let's start your reading. What is your reading for month of, oh my God, Sagittarius, you wreck me. Ganun na ganun naririnig ko. For you wreck me. Kasi parang biglang, ayoko na dito. I don't know what are you saying. Sabi ni Sagittarius, I don't know what you're saying. I cannot comprehend anymore. The reality is so harsh. Yeah, I know, right? I can agree with you totally. So, let's start with your reading. So, ano nga po ba ang mensahe para sa mga Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? 2 cards for you, then present, and then the other situation, 2 cards for the other party. Please, don't flip. Okay. So, you're currently in the three of Wands. Okay? Okay, may nag-flip. At the Justice card, wow, you're seeking what? Truth. About who? About something. Oh, you're actually in a deep thought right now. Isolation din. I don't know why, but merong isolation dito. Parang, it's time for me to break free from these people. I wanna avoid them, like that. Okay, last two. The other person, the people you're dealing with. Other situation or the person you're currently dealing with. Just 2 cards. Okay, sila naman ay, 6 of Cups. Kasi may bumabalik na pag-ibig from the past at hindi mo alam kung from 6 to 7. But, okay, the growth, yung mga panahon na magkahiwalay kayo, nag-grow ka na sobra, like totally from a different person. Oh my God, from the bottom of the deck, nakikita mo ba yan? 2 of Cups. Sasabi ko lang. Okay. So, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Currently, you are in the dito crossroads eh. More likely parang, nakikita mo ba yung Wands? Kasi ang Wands kasi in tarot, energy, passion, action. Okay, so dito pinipili mo yung sarili mo twice than the other person. Like, nakatingin ka from afar. Parang you work so hard to get out of this, to stop this kind of relationship that doesn't give you happiness, peace of mind, and true love. Okay? Hindi na ipakita sa iyo kung ano yung pag-ibig. Instead, merong Justice card dito. Maybe kasal ka sa taong to or kinasal kayo and you might be facing legal terms right now like divorce, ganon. I'm not saying na ganon talaga nangyari. For some people, yes. Now, Also, this one is like seeking justice from afar. Or parang parang may turning point na ng relationship na to or connection na to. Parang this time, nagkaroon ka na ng legal action against this person or against this individual o situation kung hindi man to romantic relationship, no? Siguro boss, kaibigan mo, ka-business partner mo, hindi nagiging patas sa'yo, something like that. Now, meron ditong nagko-contemplate, okay, isolation. The present one that connects you to the other part or other person situation you're dealing with is the Four of Swords. This is all about the thoughts, thinking, andito pa yung parang you're checking on the other terms or what to do or what to do next. Okay, anong gagawin ko? Ito na ba dapat? Ito na talaga. Alam mo, ang masasabi ko sa'yo dito, kasi may iba sa inyo na currently dealing with younger people or first love or young love na parang ngayon lang ulit kayo nagkita or parang trying to come back with you. But somehow, your energy is Seven of Pentacles. This is not going to be stable as you think so. Parang stable ngayon. Kasi tumanda na kayo, nag-mature na kayo nag-heal na kayo from the past. But, okay, that's not what you think is love. You get me? Parang, parang naiisip mo ngayon is, hindi siya, nandun yung attraction, sige, nandito yung, may past kasi kayo, andun na. Pero, parang sa present moment, it's not timely, it's not giving the right time, the right moment, or the best situation para ituloy ulit yung connection nyo like before. Okay, so some other people, you're facing with legality siguro sa ibang bansa, ibang bansa ka kasi may kontrata ka, yung mga ganun, may nakikita ko dito, iniisip mo, career ba o yung love? Kasi baka sa past, pinakawalan mo na siya before dahil pinili mo rin yung sarili mo. Baka this time, it's resurfacing again. Kung ako sa'yo, girl, career na lang. Puro ka na career, wala ka ng love life. But yeah, jokes aside, ito yung nakikita kong vibe dito, no? Sagittarius, this is too personal. I don't know who's the one asking for this. Ito yung na-spread ni card. Pero, yun, good luck with that kasi nagko-contemplate kayo. Whatever is your decision, ito na lang, Sag. Ikaw rin naman nag-decision from the past, kaya siguro hindi kayo nagkatuluyan before. Pero ngayon na nare-resurface again, kaya nagkakaroon ka ng parang 50-50 thinking kasi may possibility kasi na mga ibang bansa ka at may kontrata ka na. Kasi legal. But justice with the truth. Maybe from the past, you thought this person was not for you. You thought this person parang hindi ka minahal, ganon, kaya hindi ka nagkatuluyan, something like that. Pero ngayon, na-realize mo, okay, I was wrong. I was wrong that I hurt you. Parang, I was wrong. I thought it's like this, it's like that. But, yun pala, hindi pala. Mas natutunan mo ngayon at nalaman mo kung ano yung totoo ngayon. Parang, ito pala yung totoo sa atin. The truth, the justice, the truth seeker. Okay, so kaya nagko-contemplate ka. Sobrang pag-iisip to. Like, nag-isolate ka na para lang mag-focus mo yung sarili mo kung ano yung pwede mong gawing action towards this person. Okay, towards this connection. Ayan, ayusin ko lang yung ko. Yan. Okay, so, next, dun tayo sa oracle. We're gonna use the situation oracle deck. Okay, so let's see kung ano ang situation para sa mga Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me 2 cards only. Okay, 2 cards for, projected. Future days, weeks, and months. Okay, iniisip mo nga yung future. Crushed. Okay, you see, sad, broken, feeling alone. You know what? First love never dies talaga, no? Totoo ba yun? Charot lang, wala akong first love eh. I don't think na ito, share ko lang sa'yo, Sagittarius. I don't think na totoo yung first love. Kasi siguro first puppy love. Pero yung first love is actually not true. Kasi everyday, mas natututo tayo or mas na-realize natin kung ano talaga yung totoong love. Hindi siya yung parang kinikilig ka lang or dahil na-define by definition in the book. alam mo yon, book definition or said by the community or you've seen it to your parents or to the other people, ganon, other couple. It's actually really personal, you know. Love is really personal. It's always personal reasons, personal experience. So that's love for me. Okay, sinituro ko lang kasi that's what I realized. And I think naman may sense yung sinasabi ko. So right now your situation is projected futures, days, weeks, months. I think, okay, from the past, hindi kayo nagkaroon ng maayos na oras, panahon, para mas magkakilanlan. So, this present is something na parang iniisip mo, nagkasira na tayo dati eh. Pero hindi ko sure kung, you know, baka sad or broken or feeling alone lang ako or lonely lang ako. Kaya, I am seeking for this kind of connection or love. Okay? Siguro yung iba sa inyo, iniisip na lang. Yan. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, iniisip na iniisip na hindi na kayo makakatagpo ulit ng pag-ibig kagaya ng sa past kasi mas natatakot kayo, mas inunan nyo yung career or mas feeling nyo you tried once and you're having a hard time to find love again, something like that. You know, kaya still feeling mo, siguro lonely ka lang, ganun. Parang hindi ka naman talaga naghahanap ng love. Siguro masyado ka lang ni-influence ng ibang tao. Kaya right now, parang akala mo okay lang na balikan tong taong to or bumalik sa ganito or magmingle ako and try to get to know other people, ganun, other person, you know. So, let's see kung ano ang okay, tarot ni Fanta Oracle. Like, I mean, yung message ni Fanta Oracle for you. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Ang cute na. Okay, so, let's see kung ano ang additional situation messages for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, nag-flip agad. Withdrawal. Oy, withdraw nyo sa labas. Charis! Withdraw ng money. So, withdrawal. May nakalagay dito, guys, na withdrawal. So, it means, quit. Awakening rejection. You might rejected this person or this situation or baka may nireject ka kasi parang from the past hindi kanya binigyan ng peace of mind or ng talaga sa love. Alam mo 'yon? Ng katotohanan sa pag-ibig. Kumbaga parang hindi kanya nabigyan ng love talaga. So kaya nahihirapan ka ngayon na ipapasukin ulit siya sa buhay mo. Lalo na't may career ka na pinangahawakan. Ayan, sorry, naayos ko lang yung camera. So, dahil dito, sinasabi din na sa withdrawal is parang nagkakaroon ka ng realization or awakening of the truth na what kind of love that you deserve and what kind of love na yung sinisik mo unlike before. Sobrang different person ka na kasi kung kukumpara dati. Kahit ilang beses pa bumalik yung past or mag-rewind ka sa past, you still think na better this way. It's yung today, yung present self mo is better this way. Which is good, 'di ba? So, maganda na ganun yung mindset mo ngayon kasi tawag dito, lahat tayo tumatandang pasulong, hindi hindi pa atras. Kaya mas maganda kung iisipin mo lagi na hindi naman madamot si universe sa akin. Makaka-find pa rin naman ako ng love and opportunity. Okay, so let's see kung ano ang astrological major, kung saan to mas magkakaroon ng sa'yo, effect sa astrology. Okay, so tingnan natin astrological placements mo. Let's see. Okay. What is astrology placements for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising? Okay, the Moon. Maybe you have the Moon in the Moon in Sagittarius or yung kung nasan man yung moon sign mo. Kung anong planet, anong house, look for it, okay? So, satisfy emotional needs, nurture yourself and others. So, the Moon, it says meron kang the moon in Sagittarius maybe. So, the moon, it means in astrology is your emotional comfort, your emotional need, and your home, your vulnerable side, your feminine side, yung kinalakihan mo. Okay? So, dito, symbolizes maturity, growth in emotional side, and sinasabi siguro sa ni universe na it's time for you to deal with your emotional needs and heal from those. Siguro kaya ka nagkakaroon ng mga reflection from the past kasi tumatanda na tayo. Tumatanda tayo and marami tayong bagay na parang nare-realize na it's better this way. Yung regrets from the past, yung mga nagawa ko from the past, hindi siya nagmamatter ngayon. So I should stop myself connecting with the past kasi ang tagal ko nang nakaalis doon. So parang ganun yung tinuturo sa'yo dito with the moon. Also with the moon, your intuition is high. You have to trust with your intuition and magsik ka ng guidance to the universe para mas i-guide ka niya kung saan ka papunta, ano talaga yung purpose and calling mo in this lifetime, okay? It will help you grow emotionally. So, okay. Next, let's go to your love reading. Everyone needs this, Everyone wants this. So, ano nga bang love reading for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising by the Romantic Angels Oracle deck? Ano nga ba? Only one card, please. Okay, very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Oh, di ba? Pinapamadali ka ngayon. I mean, this time parang sinasabihan ka ni universe na mag-decide ka na ngayon kung ano yung gusto mo sa sarili mo kasi the rest will follow. I mean, the rest, siya. Anong tawag dito? When you're happy, okay? When you're happy, when you love what you do, the rest will follow. Parang ganun siya. Parang mag-unfold lahat ng bagay-bagay. Kasi, nagbabibrate ka sa positive, negative, loving energy. Did you know that? Now you know. Okay. So, ano ang hidden truth? I feel you leaving me behind. Okay! Someone is being left behind. Maybe you are being the one na iniiwan or baka iniwan mo tong person na to from the past for the sake of your career or study first, mga ganun. So, ngayon, sa ibang tao na hindi makaresonate, then it's okay. Okay? May iba pa tayong one. Mali mo mag-resonate. Pero mas maganda kung magpabuka ng reading para mas accurate yung reading para sa'yo. So, the Sagittarius that have this kind of situation right now, maybe this person from the past trying to go back, parang trying to build a connection with you again. Siguro, hindi naman mali na piliin mo ulit yung sarili mo. Pero kung sa tingin mo na sobrang worth it ng taong to, give it a chance, Just, but if you don't see yourself being with the person or being with the relationship or parang feeling mo matagal nang natapos yung istorya nyo, todo ka mo na talaga. Sabi mo sa kanya na I realize a lot of things and this is not working out for us. So, ganun lang. Hindi siya mag-work. Okay? So, ano ang last final card advice para sa'yo by the Soul Truth Oracle deck, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Ayun, may nag-flip. Okay. What risk can I take today? Risky ba? Masyado? Pag pinapapili ka? Baka kasi from the past, pinapili ka na talaga dati. Ayun mo, according to my experience, according to my experience when it comes to making risk, I always do a lot of things, take a risk, kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari kapag wala akong ginawa. Mas maganda na alam ko kung ano yung mangyayari dahil may ginawa ako. May na-risk ako. You get me, Saj? Parang hirap pag nakaupo ka lang, steady ka lang, Tapos, kasi wala kang ang ginawa. So, dahil wala kang ginawa, what will you expect, 'di ba? Na mayroong darating dyan sa harapan mo, tapos siya gagawa ng lahat, magiging mayaman ka, magiging successful ka dahil ginawa niya. Something like that. Alam mo yun, I always do a lot of, things and risk everything, not really risk everything to the point na I will lose everything. That's what I mean. I mean, parang nire-risk ko, parang gumagawa ko ng, kino-contemplate ko tayo sa sarili ko, nag-iisip talaga ako ng sobrang masinsinan and years or months before I make a decide about something. Okay? Kasi, gusto ko at kailangan, nai-envision ko yung sarili ko na ginagawa ko yun. Gets ba? Kasi ganun tayo ganun tayong lahat. Kailangan nating may gawin, kailangan nating may sundin na sundin sa puso natin kasi yun yung mag-guide sa atin, yung puso at isip natin. Yun yung magbibigay sa atin ng guide, ng healing, ng answers every day. And it will help us grow. So, ito ang kanyang sagot for you. Ang advice niya sa'yo. Be not mistaken. You will have to take bigger risks than you ever thought possible on this path towards your dreams. You will have to take the big, scary leap, but do not fret because your soul has wings. Today's soul actions. What risk can you take to move towards your dreams? Make a decision and do it. No more thinking, only doing. Be brave and courageous and you will discover what you're really made for. Alam mo ba, all along the way, habang ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na meron ka ngayon as of now, yung mga opportunity na meron ka, alam mo ba na mas nagkakaroon ka ng insights and opportunities para ma-build yung nai-envision mo sa sarili mo. So, huwag ka matakot gumawa ng mga risk today, Sagittarius. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Kung hindi ito nakapag-resonate sa'yo, mas maganda magpabuka ng reading sa akin para mas accurate. Pero kung nakapag-resonate naman sa'yo, kindly leave a comment on the comment section. I will surely appreciate it. Okay? So, yun lang naman. That's for your reading. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.